Let us be kind to Mihlali Ndamase, guys. Let us be kind. You know, listening or watching a video yake with that open letter, I was like, you know what? Everybody's going through a lot. Emhlabeni, we all have problems. And Mihlali Ndamase, she's also human. Sonke siyagowisha. Can we be kind? Can we be kind? Kanye West wamshiya Kim Kardashian, Jay-Z wamchitela Beyonce. We all going through things, and irregardless of Mihlali Ndamase wayenzani wathola uLeroy kanjani, it doesn't matter. What matters is she doesn't deserve ukuthi ashawe. No woman or no man deserves that, because I understand as well that kunabantu besilisa, there's men also who go through ukushawa. You understand? So can we be kind? I understand Mihlali, and having to be a public figure, you tend to go through trauma izinto in silence, because when you cry out loud, people will be like, but Mihlali Ndamase, why ukhalelani? She's human. Uyazizwela, unabazali, unedlozi, you know, unefamily, unomndeni. Can we be kind? I don't know if this makes sense, but ngiyacela abantwana bedlozi, ngiyacela abantwana bakaNkulunkulu, ke okunana bakaNkulunkulu, ngiyacela, let us be kind.